said she didn't want to share her evidence.
She's not a sharer.
I do not share. Are you eating snacks already?
Yeah.
Just one. So where are we putting the drinks that we're not taking yet?
Just
In the
try and
back
combine
of
them into one box.
I can put them in the back of the car.
This?
No, that.
Oh, that's her vlog the whole trip.
Oh, you guys are doing that?
Yes.
Snacks. Jackie's Doritos. Tara chips for me and Amber. Little protein bars. Cheez-Its. Tortilla chips, no salsa. A wide assortment of snacks.
So things like live?
My M&Ms.
Yes. Well, no, it's recorded, not live.
No, I mean, but,
Nuts. Twizzlers. Really healthy. Really healthy snacks. I'm so glad we packed healthily.
Healthily?
Healthily. That'll work. This back. You know what we forgot? Ice packs.
Oh, I know. We realize that. We'll just have to bring Ziploc bags and we'll just put ice that we buy at the
Gas station?
gas station.
Or can we put the bag of ice in the bag, in a trash bag? Oh, but it's Febreze ice. Like it's a
I'm sure Jill has trash bags.
It's a Febreze bag.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Oh, we're gonna need it.
Are we gonna use the ice, or is this ice used for cold?
Both, but just use
Well,
one.
then do you have cups? So we're not gonna eat the ice.
No, because we have cans. Just take that to put the ice.
So you don't have like nice like sandals or a nice sandal.
I need heels to wear with that.
Then buy them at the Ross.
No, I'm saying we have nowhere to go and wear heels.
This is very true. That's why I didn't bring anything nice.
Carmelitas?
Okay, now I'm going with Jackie.
I didn't bring anything nice because.
Okay, folks. Well, here she is. This is our Cadillac Escalade for the Transport Dido road trip. We got an upgrade from Enterprise. It's quite large and quite fancy inside. Lots of things and buttons. So we are ready to go and start this insane road trip from Corona, California to Oldsmar, Florida. It's a beautiful night. Here we go.
It's only 1,162 miles to our first stop.
Sweet.
There you go.
We're gonna be there in no time. There she is. That's our cargo. It's our important package.
Okay, dear Lord, as we come together as a family, we just pray for the beginning of this adventure. And we just pray for traveling mercies. We pray for protection on the roads and the freeways. We pray protection on this car, that we won't have any problems. And with each one of us, that we can stay safe, healthy, well. And then we also pray for those that will be left behind, our families, our friends. And just guide us, direct us, keep us from all harm, danger, and accident to get to our destination safely. In Jesus' name we all pray.
Amen.
Amen.
Very nice.
All the family we're leaving behind. I think you made Manuel cry.
Jeez.
Cute. Cute when somebody cries.
How cute. Alright, you'll have
She's
to
writing it
tell
down.
me where the
How
gas
cute.
station is.
Here we go.
It's 0.1 mile, not.
So then it's at the next light.
That one says 600 feet. That's an old one. That Apple Play is an old app. We've
Yep.
had this new freeway.
No, it's right. If you look at it, it's telling her at that next light. Not writing this down.
First fight. We technically could have gone out of that other driveway.
Alright, we're gonna do this just because I get people behind me. It's alright. Don't worry about it.
Just making you turn right here, like you're going into the gas station.
The two double lines. Yes.
Gail, you ran a red light earlier.
Two sets of double lines.
Oh, this one.
The farthest
Go out
one
this
to the
exit.
right.
Yes. Then we're gonna make a right again
Behind
in
that
a
blue
straight
car.
line. Yeah.
Oh, that
Go
just.
forward.
What is happening?
Gail ran a red light
One
earlier. I don't
giant circle.
And I said it because I had
About
such
30
plates.
seconds.
I'm from out of town.
Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Can I drive, please?
There's,
back there.
I could have had it.
we're good.
I'm already slowing down.
Excuse me. Are we there yet?
Went to.
You're not going to believe this, but I never went to concerts when I was young. My very first concert was with John, and it was Jackson Brown.
You never went to one until you met John.
Yep.
Juan never took you.
We never been to concerts.
Wow.
My first one, I was 17, and I took myself to a Hey Monday concert.
Who?
They're like Hey Monday. They're like Paramore, but they were a local
know
Florida
Paramore
band.
either.
How about one I would know?
How about one that Jill would know?
Okay, when I was 18, my sister, for my graduation present, took me to see Paramore and No Doubt.
Oh, that's cool. She's from Anaheim. I didn't go to concerts. I was 20 or 21, and I went to Whitney Houston.
Ooh.
Who took you? My friend Kelly. Oh, thanks, Kelly. Victimone.
What'd you say?
Victimone.
Victim. I want to hear a victim.
How old were you?
Oh, no. Go ahead, Amber. Find a
Old?
Victimone song.
Yeah. I don't know. We must have gone probably with Sal and Rachel. Virgil.
Where?
Las Vegas.
Ooh. Just so you know, Victimone crashed in a helicopter and died.
Wow. Thank you
That's,
for that.
that's how he died.
And my second one was with Sergio.
Oh, look at her second concert.
Sergio with Celine Dion.
Dion.
Yeah.
My first concert was Hanson.
Surprise, surprise.
$499.
How many times have you seen Hanson?
I don't know, Amber, a lot.
All right, so I'm going to tell you two because the first one was really not a concert. It was at the Knott's Berry Farm Good Time Theater.
The Jamboree
Mickey
Beer?
Mouse Club.
Country Beer Jamboree.
So, Jill, I'm surprised at you.
Sorry.
My grandma took me, and I saw this particular person 3 times that day. And my grandma said,
I know.
my grandma said, that's it, I'm not seeing him anymore. I'm going to sit out here and wait for you.
I know.
Go ahead.
Frankie Avalon.
Yes. But my first paid, where I bought a ticket and I went, I think was, I'm trying to remember my age, was Simon and Garfunkel at Dodger Stadium.
That's cool. That's
Or it was with Trisha Duran in San Diego.
Ooh, that's a good one
yeah,
too.
so it was either one of those.
I hours, but a train ride from Chicago Union Station to St. Louis to go see Brooke in the production The Grinch. And I took Hannah and Sarah with me, so it was their first train ride.
Aw. So you didn't get one of those sleepers?
No.
No.
But we got to walk around, and there was food, a food car, I got beverages and stuff like that. It was fun.
The longest probably was from where Jackie lives to where we went in Chicago. And then the very first one that I took was from my college to downtown Nashville, which was only like maybe a 20-minute train ride. So nothing super far.
I would have to say the same as Jackie when we took the train in from Vernon Hills to Chicago.
You mean Amber?
You mean me?
Oh, yes. Who did I call you?
Jackie.
Oh, and that Christmas train, right?
We didn't go anywhere.
That Christmas train ride was like 15 minutes out, 15 minutes back in.
It was longer than 15 minutes.
I don't know. It was like maybe an hour train ride. So we went 30 minutes.
Yeah, so I don't think I took a longer train ride than that.
I have gone to Alvera Street on the train. And
Well, I've done that too then.
No, you already had your turn.
Okay.
And I went to San Clemente a lot. A lot of times.
Oh, then you just reminded me.
Oh my gosh, you're such a cheater.
When I rode it from here to San Diego, remember when you guys went to Kelly's baby shower?
I was in 5th grade.
What? You were allowed to go on a train on 5th grade?
Wait a minute. And Ken and Abel, my brother, was in kindergarten. And so we got to go on the trip, but we had to take our kindergarten sibling. So I had to babysit him all the way to San Diego Zoo. Then when we got over there, I had to have him with me. And then had to come back to the train.
It's a lot of faith in a
That
fifth
is
grader.
weird.
The Polar Express, and then from Newark, New Jersey into Manhattan. It's a train.
Well then, okay, I went from New Jersey to Manhattan.
Why do you like to steal everyone's thunder?
Because you remind me.
No, you got one chance.
Yeah,
You forgot, it's over.
Oh, that reminds me.
That reminds her of another story.
All right, does anybody else?
What time is it?
Like
It is 1:30.
1:30 a.m.
You sleepy?
Just got to go potty.
Me too.
I do too.
It really wasn't. It was just like my insides need to be stretched. I don't know what to say. Sorry.
Let's stretch it.
My we got a driver change. Oh yeah.
Change.
Who's in? Who's out?
I'm in.
Dido's still here.
Jackie's in.
Can you hear me?
This
Can you
is
hear
the
me?
thing. It's closed.
Oh, even the gift shop is closed, Serge. Everything is closed.
Proceed to the route.
Even the gift shop.
Get a picture.
Proceed to the
Wait,
route.
hold on.
Oh, there's like bats.
Are those bats?
Where would you see bats?
Right there on the thing there.
On the thing?